Hello, today we are going to see process creation using a fork. So in this we'll see how to write a program to implement the process creation using a fork in C. So in this first we'll see how to create a parent process and child process. So here first we'll create one file. So here I have given a code, which is here I have given a hash include stdio.h header file, and here I have given an int main. Inside this int main I have given here I have given a if case. Inside this if I have given a fork equal to 0. Here it will print the child process, and here it will print the id of the child process b percentile d, and the id of the parent process is percentile d, and it will get pid, and here then or else it will print the parent process, or else it will print the id of the parent process a is percentile d, and get pid. So now here we'll give another file name. So now we'll give dot a sorry dots a dot out. So here it has print the process A. ID of the parent process A is 13511, and child process B, it has printed the ID of the child process B is 13512, and the ID process of the parent is 13511. Now we'll move to the second question, which is here we'll see how to create the parent process and child process, a grandchild process. So in this way, first we'll create a one file. So here I have given a code. So inside this main I have given if the fork equal to 0, and it will print the child process, and and here it will print the ID of the child process B is percentile D, and the ID of the parent process is percentile D, and get bit and get bit. And here in this if case, fork equal to 0, then it will print the grandchild process, and here it will print the ID of the grandchild process C is percentage D, and the ID of the parent process is percentage D, and get pid and get pid. Or else it will print the parent process, or then it will print the ID of the parent process A is percentage D, get pid. Now now here will be. So here it has print the parent process A, and the ID of the parent process A is 13824, and here it has printed the child process B, and the ID of the child process B is 13825, and the ID of the parent process is 13824, and the grandchild process C. Here it has printed the ID of the grandchild process C is 13826, and the ID of the parent process is 1313825. Now we'll move to the third question. So now in the third question, we'll create a parent process and two child process and two grandchild process. So here we'll create a file. So in this code, inside this code, I have given a int main. So inside this int main, if fork equal to 0, then here in this if case fork equal to 0, then it will print the grandchild process D, and the process ID percentage D, and the parent ID is percentage D, and get pid, and or else it will print the child process P, and the process ID is percentage D, and parent ID percentage D, and get pid here. or else it will print the if the fork equal to 0. Then here in this if case, if the fork equal to 0, then it will print the grandchild process E, and the parent and the process ID is percentage D and parent ID is percentage D, and then or else it will print the child process C, and the process ID is percentage D and the parent ID is percentage D and get bit, or else it will print the parent process ID is percentage D get bit. So here will be dot slash. So here it has printed the parent process ID is which is a 1414166, and the child process C, and the process ID is 1114168, and the parent ID. And here it has printed the child process B and child the process ID and the parent ID, and the grandchild process D and the process ID and the parent ID, and the grandchild process E and the process ID and the parent ID. So the codes are executed successfully. Thank you.